what there is quite small. The bird has to have adapted over the centuries to cope with the environment. So out of all the birds of prey of this size, this one has the smallest feet. They're little tiny things. They're not very big at all. But there again, he doesn't have anything big to pick up. The largest food would typically be a desert rat or a desert prairie type rabbit, about half the size of our old wild rabbit. And the tallest thing to stand on would be a cactus bush. If you're going to go standing on cactus bushes, you really don't want big feet.
On his way!
Because food is pretty scarce, anything he does get, he has to eat quickly. He's quite adept at taking carrion, roadkill, ham sandwiches, sausage rolls, basically anything that's going. But his favourite food is something like a desert rat or a rabbit. And when he gets something like that, he has to eat quickly. He can't hang about, because if he does, something's just going to come and steal it from him. Typically one of the females. But in the wild, if this little thing caught something to eat and a female was about, she would just fly in very quickly, hit him, knock him out and steal the food.
What a sensible little bird.
Sounds like tea time in our house. So to eat quickly, the bird has the largest mouth of any bird of this prey this size. Are there any Americans in the audience? No? It's probably got a big mouth because it's American. Well, I can't say that, can I? That's what.
Politically correct.
Right? Yeah. That I can get.
Genuinely think he's going to cart you in the head.
Oh, cow.
Oh, slow.